I am so joyful today. And it seems like a little thing, but it's a huge thing. The office I work in, we only have 8 people. And when we're fully staffed, one person retired, one person left for a better job, and one person is off on paternity. So we have been down to 5. And then if somebody is off sick or taking a vacation, this has been since the beginning of the year. It's been crazy in our office. And today we get our new senior staff assistant. I'm so glad she's coming. Ecstatic because I knew that our staff assistant did a whole lot of stuff, but I did not know she did a whole lot of stuff. Just trying to do bits and pieces of her job, plus my job, plus the person who's on paternity. It's just crazy. But anyway, she starts today and she's so excited. And it's so funny that she's so excited. She has no idea what she's in for, but we'll try to walk her through. We're going to have a little welcome party for her today. So, anyway, that's what brings me joy, glow, and bliss today. And I'm not delusional. She's going to be great and it's going to work out wonderfully. I will see you next time. Appreciate the people around you while they're around you because you never know when they might have to go someplace else or they get to retire or they're on vacation or any of those things. Have a great one.